Look at this time lapse of vegetables spoiling in a crisper drawer. This happens constantly. The average US family throws away about $1,500 worth of food every single year. People don't buy groceries intending to throw them away. By Wednesday, you forget what you bought on Saturday. You don't know what pairs well together, and the mental energy required to figure it out leads straight to ordering takeout. An AI meal planner solves this by translating a single photo of your fridge into a complete week-long meal plan, prioritizing the ingredients that are about to go bad. In the next 6 minutes, we are going to set up a manual workflow that delivers this exact experience to users, allowing you to test the concept before you spend weeks writing code. You need exactly 4 things to follow along: a free card website account, access to a vision AI like ChatGPT or Gemini, a Reddit account, and 1 test photo of your own fridge. We are going to run a Wizard of Oz test. Doing the work by hand first ensures that people actually value the service before you invest time or money building the software. Step 1 is finding out if people actually want this. To get accurate data, you need to go where people are already trying to solve this problem, specifically online budgeting and meal prep communities on Reddit. Here is exactly what you should post in those forums. Keep it direct. If an app could look at your fridge and automatically plan your week of meals, plus generate a shopping list, would you use it? Would you pay £3 a month? When people reply, read closely. You are looking for qualitative feedback, specific dietary concerns they bring up, objections to the price, and signs of genuine demand. Be careful. A comment saying, "I love this idea," is not validation. People will agree with an idea to be polite, which can lead you to build something nobody actually buys. To prove someone will actually use your product, you have to require them to take a second action and give up something valuable, like their contact information. That means building a wait list. We will use a lightweight website builder like Card to create a landing page that captures the interest generated from your forum posts. This wireframe highlights the only 4 elements your page needs: a clear headline explaining the promise, 3 feature bullet points, a mock-up graphic of the app, and an email input field. Keep it on exactly 1 page. Set a timer for 2 hours. We are actively rejecting any additional menus or pages that distract the user from the sign-up form. Adding pricing tiers or complex feature pages at this stage will only dilute your data. You want to know if the core idea is enough to make a user hand over their email address. This landing page acts as a filter. It separates passive onlookers from the motivated leads who actually want their fridge-to-table planning handled for them. We will fulfill these signups using a Wizard of Oz model. The user experiences a digital product, but the back-end operations are handled manually by you. You take their photo and route it into an AI terminal. To make this work, you need a precise AI prompt. First, command the Vision AI to scan the photograph and generate a structured list of every identified ingredient. Then, specify that the AI must formulate a 7-day plan that prioritizes the most perishable items first. This ensures the user sees the immediate value of reducing waste. The final requirement of the prompt is to output a categorized shopping list for any missing ingredients. As you can see, the AI yields 2 clean documents: a 7-day plan, and a list organized by supermarket aisle. If you don't impose these rigid structural constraints, the AI will give you generic recipe suggestions that are difficult for the user to follow. By executing this workflow yourself, you replicate the final user experience of the app without writing a single line of back-end code. The core components are now in place. You have a landing page to capture interest and a repeatable process to deliver the meal plans by hand. Your next step is to email your waitlist signups. Ask them to send over their fridge photos, run them through your AI workflow, and email back the completed plans. If you reach 200 active users, the time required to manage these plans manually will become a bottleneck. This volume is a clear signal that the project justifies the investment in an automated system. At that point, you can move to a technical architecture, replacing your manual steps with official Vision APIs and a front-end framework to handle the photo uploads automatically. To learn the specific skills required to build that automated version, like connecting APIs or developing in React, check out the dedicated resources we've linked in the description. Mastering this manual validation methodology allows you to test startup ideas quickly and at 0 cost, ensuring you only build what the market is actually asking for.